Hello everybody, this is meteorologist Andrew Pinero, just after the snow squall. So I wanted to try and get out in the snow squall before it actually ended, but it was so quick that by the time I set up the gear, which still was only like 5 minutes, it was gone. And I'm gonna, there's a breeze coming through, but I am going to step off to the camera this way, and we are going to see on the side here, looks like a winter wonderland, essentially. Nice snow-covered trees. However, that wind, oh, you can hear that wind kicking up there. And you can see there comes some of the snow, the wind-blown snow. Wow. That's really all I can say with that. And here comes the opposite way. But that little bit was quite intense. That's also why I have a different lens on. I'm trying that 24-105 for the first time. It is a smaller aperture, however, it's completely weather sealed versus the other lens, which is not. So, trying that out. So it's cold out right now. I have 25 degrees, and I've been watching this drop maybe like 5 degrees within the past hour or two, and that was really, there's that cold. That was pretty big drop, and we're gonna see this Arctic air really blowing in now, and that's what we're gonna be experiencing tonight going into tomorrow. So I hope you can stay bundled up if you happen to be going outside. Frostbite is definitely going to be an issue, so I'm not going to be out long with exposed skin. I can already feel my lips starting to get numb there. But this is going to be dangerous cold, and this is serious, like seriously dangerous cold. The wind chills I normally talk about, I don't normally like to talk about wind chills because it's not a real number, it's a calculated number. However, in this type of situation, you have to take that into account just because it is so dangerous. In as little as maybe 10 minutes in some areas, you could have frostbite, and that's it. So that you have to definitely keep in mind over the next couple of days, today and tomorrow, even going a little bit into Friday. The dangerous wind chills, and as you saw behind me, the wind. That's what's causing these dangerous wind chills. And this is, yes, I don't like to throw the word out there, the polar vortex, because the polar vortex, it's all year round. It's not like the polar vortex is attacking. That happens all year round. It's just that a piece of the polar vortex can reach down into our neck of the woods because it has something to do with global warming, but we're not going to talk about that in this video. That'll be another climate change chat video that I'm going to have coming up this year. So the polar vortex, a little piece of it's coming down. It's not like Attack of the Polar Vortex, as I mentioned, but please keep in mind you have to stay bundled up. You have to really, really try and avoid being outside as much as possible with this. If you can't, bundle in layers. Very important. And also tomorrow, I'm going to have, with this cold, what you should do for your car. So that's going to be my Rex weather video for tomorrow. It's going to be a bit about the weather. Ooh, there comes another breeze. All right, so tomorrow's Rex weather video is going to be talking about what you should do to keep your car well prepared for this type of cold. And there's some things, as I talked with some mechanics and some friends that have been doing cars for 40 years, they've told me some things I never even thought of before, but scientifically it makes sense from barometric pressures and some ideal gas law stuff that I've studied in college, which made sense with tires. But stick around, hit that subscribe button below, and get that bell icon so you get notified when I upload the video tomorrow about how to best prepare your car for this brutal cold. Otherwise, that pretty much wraps up this video. I'm going to head back inside before it gets cold, and it looks like my Canon camera here is going to be lasting longer than I will outside. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. Please stay safe throughout all of this cold. Bundle up and limit your time outside. I will see you all in the next video.